Hi, I'm Tom from Design 911, and today we're going to be talking about sloppy gear shifters on the early 911s. Porsche is well known as a brand for their precision in everything. And when you get inside the car, you sort of expect the highest attention to detail. Now, when it comes to gear shift on early 911s, there might be a few things to question in terms of functionality and operation. The issue affects cars from mid-60s to late 80s. So you might think that naturally over the years, things have become sort of loosened, and it's like a natural wear and tear, and sort of surely it hasn't come out the factory like that, but has it? While many 911 owners may blame their transmissions for this and prepare themselves for a rebuild, you might want to hold off on that for a moment and check bushes and joints either side of the shift rod. If your gear shift tends to be loosey-goosey and you have troubles finding gears, don't let it drive you mad and fall out of love with your 911. You can gain the access to the affected areas by removing the gear shift assembly and also through the inspection hatch in the rear tunnel. All you have to do is remove the carpet and undo a few screws. So at the bottom of the gear shift rod, you will find the nylon ball cup bushing fitted to it. And you sort of might find there's a lot of play to it and it doesn't fit snug. Another nylon bush is fitted to the shift rod bracket, and this can be sort of pressed out and the new one can be fitted, or you can just buy sort of the whole new assembly to save yourself the hassle, especially if you don't have the proper tools to do it. So now at the rear end of the gear shift, you have the coupler. Now this is where you have sort of informed decision to make. Very often our customers will buy the coupling on its own, or the sort of official Porsche repair kit, that has kind of everything you need to fix that. Now, if you look at the coupling closely and sort of play with it in your hands, you'll notice there's quite a lot of play in it from brand new. Now, very often people have been sort of replacing the couplings with kind of no major change in effect. This is just how they're designed, apparently. And I think this is one of the not many things you could perfect Porsche engineering on. Fortunately, there have been solutions developed to remedy this. You can buy the PU bushes or solid bushes. So essentially you're stripping and rebuilding your existing coupler. So the bushes will fit in here. You would have to have a heavy duty hydraulic press, or ask your mechanic to do it for you. And you obviously run the risk of damaging your original coupler in the process. So for a little extra, you can buy a new coupler that has upgraded bushes installed to it already. And you can see here there's no play in that whatsoever. So by improving these 3 points, you should no longer have issues with finding gears. But will your shifter stay completely firm? And the answer to this is unfortunately no, as there is no mechanism to retract back to the same position. But don't lose hope. There is an answer to that as well. On the 915 gear shifters, you can install this aftermarket retractor spring that will return the rod to the center position and make it feel essentially like a modern car. Now your OCD will be pleased with all the upgrades you've done to your car, but is this all you can do? Again, no. You can go one step further to the route of short shifting your assembly. Here we are again, sport for choice, with shifters from many different manufacturers. You can choose if you want the travel to be reduced by 20 or 33%. You can choose the length of rod, choose between black or silver, or if you want it concealed or exposed. Or you can have one all singing and dancing that comes with the bush upgrade, the coupling upgrade as well, and has the retractor spring ready fitted, as you can see here. So if you have a 911 and experience this issue, obviously don't let it drive you crazy. Drive your car with pleasure and enjoy all the little things you can to do to improve your Porsche experience. To shop all the mentioned parts, head over to our website, design911.com, select your car at the top and save your vehicle choice. Then go to the left-hand side menu and find gearbox and transmission. Then go to gear shift control parts, where you will find all parts available for your gear shift assembly. Now, if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, or reach out to us via our live chat. You can even leave comments down below and we'll get back to you. We're more than happy to help. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.